When you receive your Volanti pallet, you're going to cut the shrink wrap and remove the bands that hold the 55 of the table to the pallet. Then using 2 people, you're going to take the 55, lift it off the pallet, set it off to the side. You're going to come over, you're going to grab hold of the lid and lift it up and set it off to the side. With the lid off, you're going to remove the ring nuts holding on the door from both sides and the hardware associated with it. You're going to slide the door off, put it off to the side, and remove all of the accessories from the table. Then, using 2 people, 1 on each side of the table, you're going to roll the table up and set it on the floor after you unlock the bricks. This here is a sample of the accessories that you can order for your Volanti table. Here we have the side monitor and side monitor bracket, PC, and laptop tray. Okay, so now you're going to open up your 55 monitor by cutting the tape here, here, and here. When you open the box, you'll see there's foam in the top, on top of the monitor. I'm going to remove the foam, set it up to the side. You're going to, using 2 people, you're going to take the monitor, you're going to lift it out of the box, and you need to put it face down onto a table. Using the handles. All right, the handles are on the sides in the middle of the monitor. You're going to lift. Pick up the monitor. Get it down. Remove the back. Set the monitor face down. As so. Now, okay, so with the monitor laying face down, you can see we have the screws in the back. You're going to loosen up the screws where the green stickers are. That far, 1/4 inch or so. You're going to remove these screws from where the yellow stickers are completely. And you need to remove the 4 screws that hold the pedal plastics in place. And set the plastics off to the side for after you install the wire to the table. Then, using 2 people, you're going to adjust the height for your table using the pedals, which are labeled, to where you need it. And you're going to make sure that it is laying completely horizontal. Using the handles, you're going to stand your monitor back up. Then you're going to bring it over to your table. You'll see there are keyholes on the table that you need to align your top screws to. Drop the top screws in. Slide down. Put the rest of the screws back in place with the screwdriver. With the monitor horizontal, after you've mounted it, you're going to tighten the screws on the back of the monitor, all 11 of them. Then you're going to use the pedals to bring the table vertical. You're going to place the pedal into its plastic, and using the provided screws, you're going to attach it to the bottom of the monitor. Okay, using the 4 screws provided, you're going to unbox your accessories and you're going to mounting the PC first that is attached to its plate, and then the laptop tray bracket on top of it. You're going to resecure them using the 4 screws. Tighten it all the way down. The bracket already installed, you're going to unpack the rest of your laptop tray. You're going to bring it over. You're going to slide it onto the pipe. And using the provided Allen key, you're going to tighten it at whatever desired height you would like. Once it's tightened down, you can adjust it to whatever angle you need, noting that the lip is on the bottom. And in with your hardware, you place the protective cap onto the top. This is a sample of the cabling using the provided cables for the Volanti Plan Review. Here we have the side monitor. You have your 3 cables for it. They are routed using the clamps that are provided. You run the cabling through. We have it. You clamp using the clamps here. Run your cabling back here to your PC. You have your input cables for your side monitor. You also have your cabling that goes to your main monitor here. You have your cabling for your laptop that comes out here to your tray. And you have your cabling for your web camera, which is installed up here in the top. Using the provided mounting, run down to your PC.